may have made a mistake with our security system. Should I be dismantling this tower? I think.
Yeah. Dismantle and place it. I don't know.
Oh, look, Daly's in there. Look, let's just go in and see Daly.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Free loot.
Free loot.
Free loot.
Loot. Yeah, we're raiding ourselves, boys.
Yeah, Daly, there's no way in at all.
Wait, but is there an escape route?
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck.
you could just climb over the wall again.
Oh,
But you can't
Okay,
climb back in. So
Yeah, I bet you could still climb back in. Is there
well,
something
what
else
about
near
that
this wall?
sawmill outside?
if there was something else near the wall, yeah.
What if you can angle to walk on the wall?
We're not gonna be getting to where we were at.
Oh, this is gonna be.
Why are we breaking the game here? Oh, you got to climb onto the post. You got to climb onto the post because the gate doesn't have enough.
Oh my god.
Daily,
Awesome!
your security system doesn't really work. Oh no, there's a saw thing outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my next thing until I started thinking,
Oh, no, dude, that's such a big.
it's outside of the walls.
You can literally just climb on it and climb in and climb out. Oh
Oh no! No!
How did you do that?
Wait, hold on. Experiment time. 1 second, guys.
Who's got a hammer?
Oh no, we lost the thing.
Experiment time.
Yeah, we need a hammer to upgrade it. Oh my god. Oh no.